It's Wednesday morning and we just arrived at CBS. The past 3 days have been all about social for the contestants with a canal tour and tour of Copenhagen, but today it's about to get a little more serious.
All the contestants are sat inside one of the big auditoriums waiting for the big reveal. Up until today, it's been a massive secret who the case company is, so let's head inside and see who it is.
We are exhausted, but we're ready.
We are really nervous, but
we'll see how it goes.
Hopefully it all goes well.
Maersk is a leading global supplier of transport and logistics services.
What's your initial reaction? What do you think?
Pretty excited. We almost guessed it. I mean, it's Danish biggest company. It's a very technical case though, so we're going to be spending a lot of time just trying to figure it out. Cold chain is a very complex value chain. Just figuring out what to understand where Maersk can fit in already and what it does at the moment, and how they can actually improve this to, you know, as they said, they're already shipping 1 million reefers. Like, how are we going to do something? We'll figure it out.
Exactly.
But we won't hold you back anymore. Get to work.
Thank you.
The wait is finally over and the case competition is now officially launched. It turned out to be a company that I think we all know.
Yeah.
Maersk.
Right now the case competitors are on their way to separate rooms while they'll be preparing for the next 48 hours, so we'll check back in on Friday.
Today is the day we've all been waiting for. Today is March 1st, which also happens to be the finals day of CBS Case Competition.
Right now the teams are getting ready for the preliminary rounds, where we'll be finding the 3 finalists out of the 12 teams.
It was so tough. It was a very, very difficult case, I have to say.
I think it was tough, but I think we had fun discussing about it as well. I think
we had a lot of fun, and I think a little bit too much fun. Sometimes the other teams came out and were like, "Why are you guys laughing so much?"
Thank you. Fingers crossed.
Yay!
The last 48 hours have been quite intense for my team. They have, like, every time they have been free of the room where they've sit working, I've just like asked them if they're doing okay, and they was just like completely zoned out, just eyes on the prize and just working so hard, and it was like always on point.
Have they slept at all?
They went home at 5 a.m. Wednesday, and then they came back at half past 7, and then so 2.5 hours at the most.
extremely impressive. Congratulations to all of you for just making it this far, right? Suprise University. UNSW. CBS.
The preliminary rounds are now over, which means we now have our 3 teams for the finals.
Right now the 3 teams are preparing for their big presentation in the auditorium at 2 o'clock.
The nerves.
They're super excited. So, like, they've only been seeing their own presentation, and we knew it was an extremely strong pool of candidates, and yeah, the level is super high, so they are extremely excited. Fingers crossed.
We're so amazed right now, and they're so stoked. Yeah. I think a little bit. I can see it in their eyes. They were so nervous, but when the announcement just came to them, they were like relieved. Fingers crossed.
I talked to them right after the announcement, and I'm so happy. They're really nice guys, and I already love them very much. Even whatever happens, it's a great experience for them, and they're already very impressed by CCC and everything we do. So they're very excited about it. Fingers crossed.
presented is doable and scalable for a global company. So, with that, the winner this year's Copenhagen Business School.
Congratulations, you won the award for Best Presenter. How are you going to celebrate this?
I haven't even thought about it because I'm still in so much shock that I actually won. I'm really happy that my team did really well, so I think we're all going to go out, celebrate tonight, have a couple of drinks, and just like see where the night leads us.
First off, guys, congratulations, you won.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, I think it's absolutely incredible experience to win this, also because it's the first time in what 16, 17 years that CBS has actually won. And we know a lot of the people from last year that came in second. And I mean, the pressure was on, at least for us.
We haven't seen or heard about anything from anyone else. So we had absolutely no clue where we were.
And we were told before that this competition is just like CBS just cannot win. And I think we just went in there like we want to do our best, but we also know that it's so difficult when you're the home team. And so I think we're quite surprised.
We didn't expect it at all.
You had no clue.
No.
The best way to win is no. Congratulations, guys. Go celebrate.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Today was quite unbelievable. I think it's a combination of so much work from the organizing committee, and to see just how great a success it was unbelievable. I mean, the teams in the finals were unbelievable. They did such good work on the case, and it was so complex. So it was good to see them really, get out there on the edge of it. I think, being done with all of this work now, it's almost surreal, and I'm hoping that we can celebrate tonight with a grand party.
And how are you going to celebrate this?
So we're all taking a trip down to Langlinje Pavillon. We're going to be 140 people, just having a big gala party, celebrating that once again CBS Case Competition has managed to pull off a year with lifetime experiences.
The actual competition has come to a close. All the 3 finalist teams did an amazing job with their presentations. CBS won for the first time in 16 years.
So, to end things off in style, everyone is gathered here tonight at the official award dinner to celebrate a fantastic week with a proper party. Alright, so this whole case competition thing here at CBS, how's it been for you?
It's actually been really interesting to see all the different solutions that the teams have come up with, both Carlsberg and Maersk, especially this last one. It was such a complex case, so much data to crunch through. I wouldn't have any idea on where to start. And to see these actionable real-world solutions that would actually be able to be something that you could implement next week. It's been really interesting and really fun to see.
Sure.
Anything that surprised you?
I think I was super surprised by the team spirit of these teams. Like they are so tight, they work so well together, they support each other so well, they're dedicated, and especially the dedication. Like a lot of these teams, they did not sleep, they didn't eat properly, they set up in shifts during the night. Really impressive, and as you said, I'm glad I didn't have to solve this case. So to round things off, thank you so much to CBS for letting us tag along. Thank you so much to all the patient teams for our stupid questions. And massive kudos to the organizing committee for pulling off this amazing event.
It's really been great to learn more about case competitions, and we hope you've learned some more as well. We just want to say thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you back next year. See you.